Hey there, health enthusiasts! Ready to test your nutrition knowledge? Let's dive into this fun and informative quiz. Get ready to learn something new. Which vitamin is known for supporting strong immunity? A. Vitamin A, B. Vitamin C, C. Vitamin D, or D. Vitamin K? The correct answer is vitamin C. It's a powerful antioxidant that helps boost your immune system and fight off those pesky colds. What nutrient is the body's main source of energy? A. Protein, B. Fat, C. Carbohydrates, or D. Fiber? The answer is carbohydrates. They break down into glucose, which fuels your body and brain for all your daily activities. Which vegetable is high in iron and supports healthy blood? A. Spinach, B. Carrot, C. Cucumber, or D. Tomato? The correct answer is spinach. Popeye was right. It's packed with iron, which is essential for healthy red blood cells and energy levels. Which fruit is highest in vitamin C? A. Apple, B. Orange, C. Banana, or D. Grapes? The answer is orange. This citrus fruit is a great source of vitamin C, which helps boost your immune system. Which nutrient is essential for strong bones and teeth? A. Calcium, B. Iron, C. Magnesium, or D. Vitamin D? The correct answer is calcium. It's the building block for strong bones and teeth, and it's important to get enough throughout your life. Which nutrient helps repair and build muscles? A. Protein, B. Carbohydrates, C. Fat, or D. Vitamin C? The answer is protein. It's made up of amino acids, which are essential for repairing and building muscle tissue after exercise. Which fruit is rich in antioxidants? A. Blueberries, B. Banana, C. Watermelon, or D. Apple? The correct answer is blueberries. These little berries are packed with antioxidants, which help protect your cells from damage. Which drink is best for hydration? A. Soda, B. Coffee, C. Water, D. Energy drink? The answer is water. It's the most natural and effective way to stay hydrated and keep your body functioning properly. Which vitamin supports healthy vision? A. Vitamin A, B. Vitamin C, C. Calcium, or D. Vitamin D? The correct answer is vitamin A. It's essential for maintaining healthy vision, especially in low light. Which grain is naturally gluten-free? A. Wheat, B. Barley, C. Oats, or D. Quinoa? The answer is quinoa. It's a complete protein and a great option for those avoiding gluten. Which grain is a whole grain option? A. Brown rice, B. White rice, C. White bread, or D. Pasta? The correct answer is brown rice. It contains the entire grain kernel, providing more fiber and nutrients than white rice. Which drink is rich in antioxidants? A. Green tea, B. Cola, C. Soda, or D. Coffee? The answer is green tea. It's loaded with antioxidants that can help protect your body from damage. Which nutrient is important for healthy digestion? A. Fiber, B. protein, C, fat, or D, vitamin D? The correct answer is fiber. It helps keep your digestive system moving smoothly and prevents constipation. Which fruit helps maintain healthy vision? A, carrots, B, banana, C, apple, or D, orange? The answer is carrots. They are rich in beta-carotene, which the body converts to vitamin A, essential for good eyesight. Which nut is a good source of healthy fats? A, almond, B, cashew, C, peanut, or D, all of the above? The correct answer is all of the above. Almonds, cashews, and peanuts are all great sources of healthy fats, which are important for heart health and overall well-being. Which vegetable is rich in vitamin K? A, kale, B, potato, C, corn, or D, cucumber? The answer is kale. This leafy green is packed with vitamin K, which is essential for blood clotting and bone health. Great job taking the nutrition quiz. How did you do? Share your score in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more nutritional fun and informative quizzes.